Hey y'all, so today's curly hair tutorial is simple, short, and straight to the point. I'm only using one hair product and one comb. I do this when I'm in a rush or lazy because it's so simple and it takes me like 10 minutes to do my entire head. So if you prefer a simpler routine or just don't like to mix products and want to have one you can use all the time, keep watching and I'll show you how I style my hair. So I'm starting off with clean hair. I washed it this morning and just let it dry up in a bun with no product in it. And the most important tip I can give when doing this routine is to just make sure that your hair is soaking wet, not damp, and definitely not dry before you style it. This product is specifically water activated, and so for the best results and the most definition, you want to make sure that you apply it to wet hair only. My product choice today is my favorite all-in-one styler by Love Your Curls. It repairs, hydrates, and styles my hair so I don't have to use a leave-in conditioner, hair gel, oil, or anything like that with it. I use about 4 pumps on each half of my head, and I start off by raking it through my curls. Then I use my wet brush to detangle and distribute the product evenly from root to ends. So I use the wet brush to detangle my hair, but to actually style it, I'm using the Roll and Smooth Comb by Conair. I got this for like $5 at Walmart, and it has these wide teeth and a little tiny roller piece inside to help the product distribute and make my curls clump together. This is what gives your hair curl definition. So I just take a small section of my hair at a time, run the comb through it, and then scrunch my curls at the bottom to encourage spiraling. Now that I'm done with this side, hopefully you can see the difference in the definition, the shine, and just the overall appearance of the curls when I use the Roll and Smooth comb as opposed to just the wet brush on the left. After I do the bottom half, I move on to the top sections of my hair. Again, the wetter your hair is before you apply this product, the better the results. So since my hair has dried a little bit on top while I was styling the bottom, I'm going to make sure I spray it with water again first before combing through the sections. The last step is bangs, so I just separate them and comb it straight down so that they dry on my forehead. And this is just so satisfying to me. Okay, so I scrunch it out, shake my roots a little, and then just flip it side to side and scrunch. And I flip and I scrunch and I flip and I scrunch and flip and scrunch and flip and scrunch. And that's it. I usually don't diffuse my hair unless I'm in a rush just to avoid unnecessary heat. So after a few hours of air drying, this is the final result. And I love it. It's big and fluffy, just how I like to wear it. And since I only use this all in one, it's really soft and light to the touch because there's no product buildup. Thank you so much for watching. Please like and subscribe, and I'll be sure to leave all the products, and by all, I mean one, in the description. Thank you.